this thing on. Do you think it's on? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Hill, and today me and Jay have a super fun video for you today. We are doing a Santa cookie
Fun Food
Friday / collaboration with some other amazing YouTube ladies. I think there's 26 of us total, so I will start adding their pictures right here and link all of their channels below. Hopefully there's a playlist to go along with it, and you can check out all of their cookie recipes. So you'll get, what, 26 cookie recipes out of watching this collaboration. Pretty awesome. So if you have a cookie exchange, want to do some for gifts, or just make them for your home, this is the video for you. So I try to be festive. It says, oh, what fun. We tried, right? And also, in Mrs. Hill fashion, we are going to do easy cookies. I'm a mom of 4. I am a full-time special education teacher, and I do YouTube, and so we just like to make things easy, right? He agrees. So I don't put too many ingredients in anything I make, and today we're coming at you with another cake mix cookie. I know you guys are surprised. So you are going to use the triple chocolate fudge, dark chocolate or fudge cake mix, whichever one you prefer, 2 eggies, some oil, and my helper over here, I'm going to turn the camera around, is helping me unwrap the Andes. They're Andes Peppermint Crunch Thins. You can buy them in the little pieces, but I could not find them anywhere, and I did not want to wait for Amazon to bring them. Yeah, it looks like that. So he's unwrapping them, and we're going to chop them up. So I'll show you. All right, so here he is. Such a good helper. Unwrapping all of these candies. Oh, you're so nice. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. Take your time. So we will get started. All you're going to do, so easy, is you're going to put everything in the bowl, and we'll add the candies last. So we'll get this set up for you. Okay, so while you wait, you can preheat your oven to 350, and these do have to cool in the refrigerator for an hour before you bake them. So we are going to add in our cake mix. Two eggies.
and the oil.
Oh yeah, thanks. Got an announcer over here. Whoops, there's a shell. That doesn't really go in your mix, so don't put that in there.
I'm gonna go and start putting this trash away.
Is that all trash?
Yep.
Sweet. All right, and then you're gonna do a ½ cup of oil, canola. I always use olive oil in my cakes and my cupcakes, and I feel like it makes them moist. So I'm gonna go with that.
And very good.
And very good. So now we'll start mixing. So I usually do a fork. I don't really beat any cake mix or cupcake mix. Granted, I am no baker. I am a drive-through Sue. So
she's a teacher too.
And a teacher too. But I typically just use a fork. I don't know. I just find that it comes out better. I don't know why.
Yes,
Maybe I don't overmix it. Maybe that's why. I mean, I'm sure somebody that really knows how to cook can comment below what you think. So this is the fudge.
You just have to top
it's
this
super
one a
thick.
little. Look, Mom, you just have to chop it a little.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh,
Helper guy.
that's fine.
You're just really doing it.
Chop a little.
All right.
Chop a little.
No, I didn't even pay attention. I think this one has like little chocolate chips in it. Maybe not. Maybe I lied. So we're going to get this all mixed up, and then we'll start chopping the peppermint candies.
It's going to be fine if you just do it a little.
Yes, we will just chop a little bit, you know, and choppy, but don't choppy your finger, you know.
Yeah.
Choppy your finger.
Whoa. Can I put
I've spilled some outside of the bowl, but that's okay.
That looks good.
And now we mix. Just mix it up a little.
Whoa, that looks good.
Looks so good. Peppermint and chocolate. That's my favorite. Comment below, what is your favorite Christmas sweet combination? So peppermint is like my favorite scent, my favorite sweet. And then add chocolate. Yes, please.
Peppermint chocolate.
So what is your favorite sweet or maybe your favorite cookie? Go ahead and comment down below. We are going to cover this with saran wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour.
Why are we covering it?
So it stays covered in the refrigerator. Doesn't get yucky. And then we'll take it off at the end.
Before we cook it.
Okay. 1 hour. Okay, so it's been an hour. We're going to uncover and just start scooping them onto our tray. Putting in the oven at 350 for about 7 minutes. Make sure you check on them. Okay, so there is some dough left over. I'm just not gonna make all of it right now, so I'll put it in the refrigerator until we're ready to bake this. How do you feel about them? That good, huh? Okay, so this is the inside. They're so soft. Make sure you go and check out everybody else's channel below and check out their cookie collab and their cookie videos, and you should be able to get 26 new cookie recipes by watching our playlist. So I will link everybody's in the description box below, and we'll see you next time.